Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Asus Zenfone 8 versus Asus Zenfone 9 versus Asus Zenfone 10. So let's see the full video. Now part display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, screen protection, always on display. Now part design comparison, has dimensions, has weight, has colors, has SIM slot, has waterproof. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, has graphic processing unit, operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, has flash, video records. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, video records. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, has positioning, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, gyro and compass. Now for battery comparison, has battery type, has battery image, has battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, has stereo speakers, 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, has network type, launch date. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe for Gatgets compare.